Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a YouTube video to your Google Sites website. First of all, we have to log in into our Google Sites editor where you are orchestrating your website. And on the right corner underneath the inserts option, we have this YouTube option and we hit YouTube. Now we need to add a link, for example, for this video, which I created a couple of days ago. I'm gonna, press Ctrl C or just scratch it out, and you go with copy and paste it in here. You hit the search button, then you'll pick the video, click select, and as you can see, you can now move it where you like to. And yeah, that's about it. You just added your first YouTube video on your website. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.